Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make Shah Jahani Qorma. I have 1100 gram of chicken, 8 to 9 medium size of onions. First I have to fry it and blend it, and we'll make a paste. 1.5 cup of yogurt, 2.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of whole spice, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ginger having a julienne cut, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and mace powder. Here I have 4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of allspice powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. First I'm gonna fry the onions. So the oil is in a pot. I'm gonna add the onions. Just stir it till it gets golden brown. So our onion is enough brown. I'm gonna take it out, as you can see. So now in the remaining oil I'm gonna add salt, whole spice, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, mix it, saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the yogurt, saute it. It's now mixed. Then I'm gonna add the chicken. Mix it. Now I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it. Now we will cover it and cook it until chicken tenders, or it is half done. Now we will we will add the onion paste, ginger, nutmeg and mace powder, allspice powder, half teaspoon, half cup of water. Now we will cover it until the chicken is completely tender. Now in the end, add half teaspoon of cured essence and mix it. And your korma is ready. It's ready to serve. Now I'm gonna dish it out. So after dishing it out, it's our final look. We will add some julienne ginger on the top of it. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget to comment on my channel what was your favorite recipe till now, and Remember me in your prayers, and don't forget to comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. We will meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.